Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of baby essentials with a spotlight on what might just be the best baby girl clearance set out there. Say hello to the Peanutshell Newborn Clothes in Essentials set, a 30-piece ensemble that's stealing the show. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a look at what's included in this comprehensive set. We're talking 3 short-sleeved and 2 long-sleeved bodysuits, 2 footed sleepers, 4 headbands, 4 pairs of pants, 4 pairs of socks, 4 pairs of scratch prevention mittens, 4 burp cloths, and 3 terry feeding bibs. Phew! That's a mouthful, but it's everything your little one needs to stay stylish and snug. What sets this set apart? Well, it's all about that fabric. Crafted from 100% cotton, these pieces are as soft as a cloud and breathable too. Perfect for keeping your bundle of joy cozy and comfortable all day long. And with easy care instructions, just pop them in the machine, keeping everything clean and fresh as a breeze. But let's talk versatility. With mix and match options galore, you can create endless adorable outfits for your little fashionista. Whether it's winter, spring, summer, or fall, this set has you covered. And those hats and mittens? They're not just cute, they're practical too, keeping your little one warm whatever the weather. And let's not forget about style. With a colorful assortment featuring lavender, pink, and periwinkle, your social butterfly is sure to melt hearts everywhere she goes. From playful patterns to classic designs, there's something for every occasion. So, if you're on the hunt for the ultimate baby girl clearance set, look no further than the Peanutshell Newborn Clothes in Essentials set. It's a game changer for both parents and babies alike. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy parenting.